Today we're going to make Quinty for the train station because he rode a train. He went to Essex and then he'll come here. You'll see how he does. And you'll see how he looks like.
May I have your attention, please?
Oh, what's that,
For your
Georgina?
own safety, please stand well clear of the platform edge.
Okay, it means don't go beyond that yellow thing, yeah. Okay.
For your own safety,
Do you miss Kuya?
reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
Oh, just only behind the yellow line, Georgina.
Double D,
Georgina, do you miss Kuya DJ?
double D, that means yes. Double D,
Are you excited to see him?
double D, that means yes.
Okay. What you want to say to Kuya DJ?
I miss you.
Okay. Hello po. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon or good morning po sa lahat. Ngayon po, inihintay po namin si DJ, ang aking panganay. Galing po siya ng Essex. Doon po siya nag-aaral, university. Pauwi po siya ngayon dahil bakasyon po nila, Christmas vacation. Nandito po kami ngayon sa train station dito sa Tor. Titingnan po natin kung ano po yung magiging reaction niya dahil nandito kami. Excited po na makita namin siya. Okay? Yeah. Don't worry, I'm only here.
Double D, double D.
This is the Tor station, yeah. Okay. Tapos po next week naman si Andre po ang darating. Galing siya ng Southampton. University din siya. Kaya kami dalawa lang din Georgina dito ngayon sa Devon. Pero ngayon dating na si Kuya DJ. Good. Happy together. Are you happy that your kuyas are coming?
That's fine. That means yes.
Okay.
Double D.
Show your move. Okay. What about what's called that one? Okay. Floss, yeah. Ding, 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 ding. 1, 2, 3, go. No, it's not. Show your floss. Your floss move, yeah. Napakalamig po ngayon dito sa England. Sobrang lamig. Talagang ramdam na ramdam mo na po ang diwa ng Pasko dito sa England yan. Napakalamig ng panahon. Makikita mo lahat dito yung mga totoong Christmas tree na hindi ko po nakikita sa Philippines. Marami po dito. At pero iba pa rin po ang Pasko sa Pilipinas. Iba pa rin po dahil napakasaya. Dahil yung mga magkakapitbahay nag-share ng mga pagkain. Maraming tao sa labas ng bahay. Dito po sa England, hindi po ganon. Halos wala ka pong makita sa mga neighbors mo. Nasa loob silang lahat ng bahay. Nagkukulong. Minsan hindi mo po sila kilala. Ganun po ang dito sa England. Okay, Georgina? Okay, where we are now, Georgina? What's the name of this train station? Oh, what's the name of this train station? It's called Tor. No, Tor. Tor train station, yeah.
Can you do this one?
Okay.
GWR.
How's your pee this morning? What you've done?
I didn't have pee.
You don't have pee today?
No.
Why?
I know, because it's just sometimes we have pee.
Okay.
High
Oh, Georgina, just only here. Okay.
platform.
Okay, maraming po salamat. I-continue ko na lang po mamayang konti pag dumating na po yung train. Huwag niyo po kalilimutang mag-subscribe, mag-likes, mag-comments, mag-share dito po sa YouTube channel namin. Down below. Maraming po salamat. Sana po lagi kayong nasa mabuting sitwasyon. Merry Christmas po. God bless you sa lahat. Okay, Georgina? Say bye-bye.
Bonjour.
Bye-bye.